How to draw Puss in Boots, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? I hope everyone is having a super fantastic day today. So for the first step of our drawing, right here towards the center of our page, we're going to draw a line that looks similar to a backwards question mark. This line that we draw will help us form the hat of Puss in Boots. Nice, that's a great start. Now we're going to draw a second line, directly below the one that we just drew. The second line that we draw will extend a little bit further out than the one that we just made. The lines that we're drawing will help us separate the colors from red and black on the Puss in Boots hat. Now where these 2 points meet on the right edge, we're going to go ahead and connect them. Well done. Now from this point, we're going to draw the top outline of our hat. We're going to begin by drawing a line from the far left point. This line will be slightly curved, and it's going to go towards everything that we just made. So now we're going to connect the bottom point of the first line that we drew to the line that we just made. Next, we're going to draw the top of the hat. The top of the hat will be connected to everything that we just drew. Now in the center of the hat, we're going to draw 2 lines that will connect from the left side to the right side. You'll notice later in the video that this part will be colored in red. Great, so now we have the basic outline of the hat all drawn. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw a big flower on the very top of Puss in Boots' hat. We'll first draw a line that will be the center of the flower that will have a slight curve on the end. Nicely done! Now staying on the side that has the curve, we're going to go ahead and make the right side of the flower. Now let's hop on over to the left hand side and do the same thing, although the left hand side will be a little bit smaller. It will be smaller because of the positioning of Puss in Boots. Nice! So far this looks really great. Now we're going to draw one more piece of the flower on the right hand side. This will be a smaller piece. This will make it appear as if the flower is drooping towards the back. Now in the small space beneath the flower and beneath the hat, we're going to draw a small circle. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, comment, and subscribe so that we can continue to grow our drawing community together. So from this point, we're going to start to draw the face. We're going to begin by drawing a small line that is connected to the right side of the hat. Now just a little bit below the line that we just drew, we're going to draw a small nose for Puss in Boots. And on the inside of the nose that we just drew, we're going to add in 2 small black dots for the nostrils. Now for the next step, we're going to draw the outline of Puss in Boots' face. Keep in mind that his entire face is really hairy, so in order to add detail for the hair, we're going to make a lot of small lines when we make the outline of his face. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now we will connect these 2 lines we just drew by drawing the chin. Fantastic! We're making great progress. Now on the right side of the nose, we're going to draw the first and only eye of Puss in Boots. We're not going to draw 2 eyes today because the hat will make it appear as if it's covering one of the eyes. Now on the inside of the eye that we just drew, we're going to draw the pupil along with the iris. Next, connected to the nose, we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to draw the mouth by just making 2 simple curved lines. It will appear as if Puss in Boots is smiling. Now on the right and left hand side of the nose, we're going to draw whiskers. In total, we're going to draw 3 whiskers on each side, and each of the whiskers will appear to go off of the face. Now for the last step of drawing before we color, we're just going to draw a simple small eyebrow above the right side that we previously drew together. Great, now last but not least, we're just going to draw the back piece of the hat that will connect to the head. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I hope your drawing turned out great. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like and subscribe. Thanks again for drawing with me today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.